Here's how to gift skins in Fortnite the right way in 2025. From the main menu, head to the item shop. Scroll through until you find the skin or bundle that you want to gift. Select the item, then click Gift to buy this as a gift. This will open your friends list. Choose the friend you want to send it to. You can only gift players who've been on your friend list for at least 2 days. Customize your gift with a wrap color and message if you like, then click send. Important things to note is that you need to make sure you have 2FA enabled and enough V-Bucks in your account to cover the cost. Since I did not have enough V-Bucks for that item, let's try it with one item that I could actually purchase. So this one, this emote, I actually have enough V-Bucks for it. So let's try sending it. So let's click gift. And after selecting a friend, you should hold this button if you want to purchase this gift for your friend. And if you want to customize your gift, you select the wrap options and you can select the color of the gift wrap that you want. After sending, your friend will get the gift instantly in their locker. And that's it. Now you know how to gift skins in Fortnite 2025. Share the style, spread the hype. Drop a like if this helped, and check out my other quick Fortnite guides to level up your game.